Ever wondered how a faceless Instagram account skyrocketed to 450,000 followers and started banking thousands of dollars every single month? These anime reels are everywhere, and I'm going to show you how they're cashing in big time. Come closer, because in today's video, I'm pulling back the curtain on their entire strategy with proof. You'll learn how to create your own viral videos in just a few minutes without the hassle of writing scripts or doing voiceovers. Stick with me, and I'll also show you how to turn these videos into a $4,000 a month side hustle. You can see 21 million views, 27 million views, 35 million views. Let's watch one of their videos, and let me show you my video that I created in seconds. Study the two carefully and identify the differences. I will show you the tricks I use to stand out among other videos in image generation, animation, and editing. Without further ado, let's go! So head over to Leonardo AI, click on Get Started, and sign in with your email account. Here are different images that have been generated, which look very, very beautiful. Now, Leonardo AI gives you 150 tokens to use daily, which is enough for our project today. So click on Image Generation. From here, we are going to type in our prompt. Don't worry, I have about 20 prompts in a document below that you can download and use for free for your projects. So I'll go back to the prompt document over here, copy the first prompt, and paste it in Leonardo AI. Now go to the presets and choose your model. Don't forget to choose the anime model and set the dimensions to 2 by 3. It's going to take about 10 tokens, which is enough for generating all the anime images. So click on Generate, and let's see the magic happen. Don't forget this, you can join our community called Future Tech Crew by hitting the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Boom! The image is generated. You can see that this kind of anime style is mind-blowing and looks very, very beautiful. As I scroll down, you'll see more images that I generated using the prompts I gave you for free, and they look amazing. They're exactly like the ones other accounts are posting on Instagram. You can download them with one click of a button from this section here. You'll need to upscale the images for higher resolution, but remember, it's going to take some credits to do that. If you've run out of credits, head over to this platform, bigjpeg.com. Now, click on the first link, and we're going to upscale our image here. I'll go to my download section, drag and drop the image I want to upscale. Click on Start over here, and select the image type as artwork. Then, for upscaling, I prefer 2x and the highest noise reduction. Afterward, click OK, and you'll see that it's upscaling. This will take less than 30 seconds. To download it, click on this green button over here to download the image. You need to do the same thing for all the images you generated using Leonardo AI, as the 150 tokens will run out if you're on the free version. Now, let's open the image and see how it has been upscaled with higher resolution. You can see that the resolution is actually very good. We have completed this step. Now, we are going to turn our image into motion. We can use Leonardo AI. Click on this Generate Motion button over here, and it's going to take about 25 credits to generate. For the motion strength, I like to set it at 6, and then generate the motion. Here, you can see it has turned our image into motion, which is about 4 seconds. Not bad, but that's not what I want. It's going to take a lot of credits, especially if you're on the free plan, as you'll need to generate more images. But don't worry, we've got another option. We can use a Chinese AI tool called Kling AI. This tool can also help us turn the images we generated into videos or motion with just one click of a button. I have a full tutorial on how to animate your images using Kling AI, and I'll leave the link in the description below. You can check it out after watching this video. After signing in, Kling AI gives you 66 credits to use for free daily. To animate your images, click on AI Video over here. From here, we are going to upload our anime images that we downloaded from Leonardo AI. Now, go ahead and select the images that were downloaded. For example, I'm going to select this one and open it. Boom, image uploaded. For the creativity mode and relevance mode, I like to keep them around 0.45. I also like the standard mode. If you select a 5-second length, it's going to use 10 credits, but if you select a 10-second length, it's probably going to use 20 credits. So I recommend using the 5-second length so that you can animate more images and use only 10 credits. When it comes to the prompt, you can leave it as optional. It's actually going to generate the motion for you without typing in any prompt over here. So I'm going to click on the Generate button to generate the motion. And you can go ahead and do the same thing for the other images by clicking on this Delete button over here. Then go back to your Download section, drag and drop the image, and after uploading it, the motion will start generating again. You can do the same thing for all the images you downloaded. It's very cool. You can see that Kling AI has animated our images for us, turning them into motion that looks very realistic. This is what I wanted. It's very beautiful. But the problem is, sometimes Kling AI is slow. At the time of recording this video, you can see that it takes some time to animate an image or turn an image into motion, especially if you're on the free version. But what if I told you there's another option that we can use to turn our images into motion, because Kling AI is sometimes very slow. So, for a different option, we are going to use a tool called Effortless AI. Effortless AI is also an alternative that we can use to turn our images into motion. If you're on the free plan, it gives you about 100 credits when you first sign up to upload all your images. Click on the Upload button over here, and now select this image over here. With Effortless AI, you can choose the kind of animation style you want. You can choose vertical, and you'll see it moving in the vertical direction. You can choose horizontal, and it will probably move in the horizontal direction. Or you can choose circular. If we choose circular, the image is going to move in a circular direction. You can choose perspective, zoom, or whatever you want. You can change it to loop so that it will be looping. And you can change this one over here to reverse it, so that whenever it loops and comes back again, it's actually not that bad. After selecting the one you want, export it. Click on the Export button over here and select MP4 Motion. Then click Next. As you can see, it's going to take about 30 credits. Click Next, and the animation is actually 10 seconds. You can double it to about 20 seconds. If you make it 20 seconds, the credit cost is still going to be 30 credits. It's not going to increase. But if you select 60 FPS, then the cost of credits is probably going to increase. So I recommend staying at 30 FPS so that you'll be able to generate and animate about 3 images using the 100 credits. After that, click on the Export button to export the animation. And the final step, click on the Download button over here to download it to your computer. We have completed this step. With Effortless AI, Leonardo AI, and Kling AI, you can see the differences between the motion effects. It looks very amazing, but for professionalism, you can choose to use either Leonardo AI, Effortless AI, or Kling AI. But I recommend using Kling AI because everything that you see is actually very realistic. You can see the waterfall movements and the leaves moving smoothly. I recommend using Kling AI to turn the images into motion, which will look very professional. Let's move on to the final step, editing. You don't need any fancy edits, and I will use CapCut because it has a free version with massive tools. For the editing, start by importing the video into the timeline, one after the other. Select the aspect ratio as 9:16 for both reels and shorts. Increase the size to cover the watermark, and make sure that you cut every 4 to 5 seconds. Start to add transitions to the videos to make them very amazing. To do that, go to this application here, click on Transition, and look for a better transition to add to the video to make it look very amazing. You can also add your own watermark to the video so that you stand out among other videos. You can do that by adding text to the video. Enter the name of your channel or page. For instance, I'm going to type in mine as Top AI Tech. Choose any font size, customize it, and you can choose the color you want and set the transparency to around 35%. Drag the text across the whole video so it shows up throughout. Now let's add some background music. Head to the audio section where you'll find tons of free tracks. Pick a tune that matches the mood of your video. Something emotional if that's the vibe you're going for. Once you've got everything just right, go to the top and click Export, then save your video. Do you know that you can sell the images of you AI influencer online to make money? Like and subscribe and click on this video and watch how I did it. Let's go!